different pieces of rope. Like this rope right here is the big rope, the huge rope, the gigantic rope. Preston, are you familiar with rope? Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, come over here, Preston. Come over here. Come over here. We're gonna, yeah, come stand next to me. Make me look good. Okay, you get to hold on to that one, Preston. That one's for you. This one right here is the small rope, guys. The tiny rope, the itty bitty rope. This is quite possibly the smallest rope you've ever seen. Preston, have you ever seen a rope smaller than that? Really? All different sizes, eh? Okay, you get to hold on to that one. This is the medium rope. I call it the medium rope, or the medium rope. This is the most medium rope you've ever seen. Preston, I'm gonna take the big one, you take the medium one. I'm gonna take the small one while Preston holds the medium one. I'm gonna take the medium one, so now I've got the medium one, guys. We are gonna create the illusion that these ropes are all exactly the same. That being said, Sean, do you think it's magic or illusion? What do you think? Sorry?
Illusion.
You're close. This one's magic. We're gonna do it just like this, guys. We'll watch the ropes. Watch the big one. Watch the small one, watch the medium one. We're gonna create the illusion. We're gonna create the illusion. We're gonna create the illusion that these ropes are all, yeah, exactly the same. That this rope is the same length as that rope, and that rope is the same length as this rope. But I know what you're thinking. Too many ropes. How can anybody keep track of so many ropes? Here, Preston, we're gonna let you hold on to rope number one, okay? So you're gonna hold on to that rope right there. Squeeze it really, really tight. So Preston's gonna hold on to rope number one. Yeah, hold it right on the end, There you go. So you're gonna hold on to rope number one, and I'm gonna hold on to rope number two, guys. Don't take your eyes off of rope number one. Don't take your eyes off of rope number two, because we're gonna create the illusion that her rope and my rope are two completely different lengths. I don't want you to take your eyes off of Preston's rope. And I don't want you to take your eyes off of Preston. What are you doing? What did you do? What did you do to my rope? What did you do to your rope? Preston, what did you do to our ropes? Here. We're gonna use some ends. So if I have one end over here and two ends over here, if I take both ends over there, then you get to hold on to that end over here. If she holds on to that end over there, then I've got no ends over here. Preston! You stole my ends, where are you from? Rockland, Ontario, that's what I thought. You know what we'll do? We'll take the ends. Guys, watch the ends, watch the loop. We can wrap it around the loop, blow on the ends. Blow, blow, blow. You spat on my thumb. That's okay, don't worry, I liked it. Here, blow on the ends. Look, the ends come back. So if we have one end over here, we've got two ends over here. If I take both ends over there, then you get to hold on to that end over there. If she holds on to that end over there, then I've got no ends over here. Preston! Preston is a lady with two ends and no rope. It's true. I'm a man with a rope and no ends. Look, watch the ends. Watch the loop. Watch the ends, watch the loop, because we can actually throw them onto the loop. Look, if I have one end over here and two ends over there, if I take both ends over here, then Preston, why are there two ends over there? That's what I want to know. We're going to go back in time. We're going to break the illusion. We're going to go back to when this was the big one. Back to when this was the small one. Back to when this was the medium one. We're going to break the illusion. That being said, Patrick, do you think it's magic or illusion? What do you think? You're never wrong. Except for this time, it's magic. You're right. That is so weird. Okay, you get to hold on to that one. Squeeze it really, really tight. You're going to hold on to this one. You're going to squeeze it really, really tight. Hold on to it. Yeah, for anyone you like, doesn't matter. Just hold on right there, right there, right there. We're going to break the illusion. 1, 2, 3. Now I've got the big one. You've got the small one, and that's the most medium rope you've ever seen. And everybody give Preston a big round of applause. She's very familiar with